Sir, Honda BRV-S variant. Goods pa din ba ilabas this 2025? Before you buy Roy Music, tara pag-usapan natin. So, priced at 1,165,000 pesos approximately. Still check it out on your nearest dealership for the pricing. But at that price point, 1,165,000, I think that it is probably the best deal out there for a base model with the top brands. First of all, you've got that class-leading engine. So, very powerful. Aside from Toyota Innova, kung i-exclude lang natin si Innova, out of all the competition in the segment, the MPV 7-seater family car segment, it is the best in terms of the engine. So, I believe it will be very, very fun to drive that Honda BRV. And you have that peace of mind basically as a family car. That's a very important factor. And then next, of course, is the looks. It absolutely looks, with the base variant, it looks just similar, very similar with the higher variant. So, dun pa lang, panalo ka na rin. It's got 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels, which is really good. And you have keyless entry, and you have that 7-inch infotainment screen display with wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, meron din pala siyang reverse camera. I don't think it has a rear sensor, but that will be very easy to fix. Napadali lang magpa-install. Just kahit yung reverse camera lang, guys, and yung Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with the infotainment screen display, I think that would be really good enough for me. One disadvantage lang that I'll have to be honest with you, personally, you can try it for yourself, but for me, medyo I found it a little bit, nasikapan ako ng konti, both sa second row, lalo na sa third row ni BRV, especially the headroom. So aside from that, it's gonna be a very great car. Reliability of Honda, as a Honda lover, I think this is gonna be a great option with that price point. So if you're someone who's looking for the best 7-seater for you and your family, check out my 7-seaters playlist on YouTube. See you there.